Hi, my name is James Pratt, also known as JP here in the service department. Today we are going to show you how to jumpstart a 2021 Ford Escape. Come on over. So, first thing, you definitely need to make sure we pop the hood. The hood release is here on the left side. It's a double pull hood release. So you want to pull it once and then twice. So make sure it fully releases. Good thing about this hood release, there is no release. So you just lift the hood straight up. Make sure you put the prop up to hold it in place so the hood does not fall down on you. If it is right there. The battery's located right here. So what we're going to do is remove the protective positive battery terminal cover. You have your jumper cables. Yellow is for positive, black is negative. Normally, you're going to do red is what it's supposed to be, but in this case, it's yellow. So we're going to flip these on here, so when you have power to the battery, you're not going to have any issues. For the time being, we're going to hook it up, do positive first. The yellow is going to go positive, black is going to go negative. Let's go right here. All right, then pick up your jumper cables and you can hook them to your vehicle. Remember, yellow is going to go to positive, black is going to go to negative, and that will take care of the vehicle to start it for you. Thank you very much for watching the video today. If you have any other questions, you can check out our YouTube page or call the service department. If you have any other questions, my name is James Pratt. Thank you very much for watching.